Please step back. The king will be furious.
Let him be angry. I am not afraid.
My queen, wait! You don't have a summons. It means death.
I know the law, but I must do this. Maybe this is a mistake.
Listen to your heart. Walk away now!
No, I have to go in. There is no turning back now. Whatever happens, happens.
Oh no, she actually did it.
Announce me. Now. I am ready. Face me, my king. It is cold in here. But I will not shiver.
The doors are closed. May the gods protect her.
Hi, come watch.
Halt! Pay the gate tax, or go back! You useless people are too slow! Move it!
Please, don't push me! I am trying!
Watch where you're going, old woman! Leave her alone!
You people belong in the dirt, you hear me?
I am sorry. Let me go.
That is enough. Let her go. What did you just say to me? I said, leave her alone. She did nothing wrong. Get your dirty hands off me. You are just a low-class gatekeeper. Remember your place. I remember exactly who I am. Next time, I will lock you up!
Thank you, young man. Thank you. Sir, wait. I need your help.
Are you hurt? You should go home.
Her parents are dead. The sickness took them yesterday.
Oh no. I am so sorry.
You are her cousin. You are the only family she has left.
Wait, why are you giving her to me? I am a single man.
Take her. Her name is Hadassah. Please save her.
I can't. I don't know how to raise a child. I am poor.
Come back. You can't just leave her here. Great. What do I do now? You are so small. Life is going to be hard for you. Hadassah, a little flower. Ouch. Hey, let go of my beard. You are strong for a baby.
Are you laughing at me? You are a beautiful child.
I am alone. You are alone. But not anymore. We have each other. I promise to take care of you, my daughter. I will always protect you. Look at this gold! No one is richer than me! Yes, my king. You are the greatest in the world. But they have not seen my best prize yet. My beautiful queen. Shall I bring more wine, my king? No! Go get Queen Vashti. Tell her to wear her crown. I want everyone to stare at her beauty. Go now! Yes. Right away, my king. I will bring her. Do not make me wait.
Oh no! This is gonna be bad! She hates being treated like a prize.
They have been drinking for 180 days. I will not go out there. I am the queen, not an entertainer. The answer is no. I refuse his order.
You can't refuse the king. He will kill us all.
Please, my queen, just smile for 5 minutes. It is not hard.
My dignity is not for sale. Get out! Tell him I am not coming. Go!
I am a dead man. We are all dead. My king, the queen, she said no. She will not come. She said no? To me? How dare she? In front of all my guests. I rule the whole world. My wife must obey me. Guards! Get her out of my palace, now! By order of the king, you are no longer the queen. Pack your things.
Do not touch me! I will walk out myself!
By order of the king, all beautiful young girls must be brought to the palace.
No!
Oh no! They are looking for a new queen. Esther. They will take Esther. She is too beautiful to hide. I have to find her right now. Esther! Where are you? Esther! Please let me find her before the guards do!
Hold still, little one. This will help the pain.
Thank you, miss. You are very kind.
You are very brave. Try not to run on this leg for a few days.
I promise. I will be careful.
Esther, I finally found you. We need to talk.
Father? What is wrong? You look scared.
The king is taking all the beautiful girls in the city to find a new queen. They will take you soon. I cannot stop them.
No, I want to stay here with you.
Listen to me carefully. This is a matter of life and death. You must never tell anyone you are Jewish. You must hide your real name.
But why? What did we do wrong?
It is too dangerous. Promise me you will keep the secret.
I promise, Father. I will not tell anyone. I will hide my name, just like you asked.
Good. Be brave, my little flower. God is with you.
Move forward! All young women, get in the cart!
Please, do not push me. I am walking.
Goodbye, Father. I will not forget you.
Remember who you are. Stay strong.
Lock the gates. No one goes in or out. Welcome to your new prison, ladies.
So many faces. But they all look exactly the same. Just more girls trying too hard.
Quiet down. This is a royal palace, not a street market. Put down those cheap necklaces.
I must stay calm. I must remember his words. Do not show fear.
Wait. Who are you? You wear no makeup, yet you shine the brightest.
My name is Esther, sir. It is an honor to meet you.
Esther. A beautiful name for a beautiful girl. Bring her the best food. Give her the finest room.
Thank you so much. You are very kind.
Listen to me, Esther. This place is dangerous. Never go to the king without a summons. If you break that law, they will kill you.
I understand. I will not step out of line.
Good. Stay smart, and you will survive. I am right outside, Esther. I will wait here every night. I hope you are safe. I need to stay out of sight. The guards are coming. Someone is talking over there.
Are you sure about this? We strike tonight?
No.
The king's door will be open?
Yes. When he is asleep, we go in. One quick cut, and he is gone. They are going to kill the king. I have to warn Esther. She is the only one who can tell him.
Meet me at the north door in 1 hour. Do not make a sound.
You must get a message to Esther. Right now. It is an emergency.
Get off me, old man! What is wrong with you?
A plot to kill him! Oh my God!
I have to tell the guards immediately.
You are under arrest for treason! Drop the weapon! Let me go!
Get out of here, old man! Go home! You get no reward! I do not want a reward. I am just doing what is right. Today is the day. He will choose his queen tonight. Look at all this gold. It means nothing.
It's all right.
No, that dress is too loud. And you wear too much paint.
Oh.
He wants a wife, not a painting.
Go wash your face. Next. You are wasting my time.
Sir Haggai, may I ask you a question?
Of course, Esther. What do you need? More jewels?
I want to know. What does the king truly want in his heart?
Not what his eyes want to see. He is surrounded by fake people every day. He just wants something real.
Well,
Do not add anything. Just walk in and be yourself.
I will go as I am. Nothing to hide. Thank you, Haggai. This is the moment. I am ready. Whatever happens tonight, I will not be afraid.
They all wear the same gold. They all smile the same way. Is there no one different in this whole empire?
My king. I am here.
Wait, who is this one? She is beautiful. No jewels, no heavy paint. Just her.
Come closer. Do not be afraid.
I am not afraid, my king.
You are safe here. What is your name?
They call me Esther. Thank you for your mercy. I am honored to stand before you.
Everyone, listen to me. The search is over. I have found the one.
Thank you for your mercy. I am honored to stand before you.
From this day on, you are Esther, Queen of Persia.
I accept this honor.
Celebrate! Light up the sky for my new queen!
It is so beautiful. The whole city is awake. I am the queen now. But I am still your daughter, father. I will keep our secrets safe.
Finally, morning. That was a crazy party. The king is very happy with his choice. Back to work. Just a normal day. Nothing has changed for me.
Watch where you step, gatekeeper! Move out of the way! Excuse me. I am moving.
They think I am nobody. They can push me all they want. But they do not know. The girl on the throne is the little baby from the dirt road.
You did it, my little flower. I am so proud of you. I told her to hide who she is, not because we are cowards. Silence is the best armor. A secret is a weapon. Haggai understood this. He ignored the fake beauty. He knew a pure heart is the rarest jewel in the world. I will stand outside this gate every single day. True love has no walls. It has no rules. But a crown is not a happy ending. The worst enemy is still hiding. A storm of blood is coming for our people.
Am I here just to live a safe life? Or did God put me here for a deadly mission?
Soon she must make a choice. The true war is about to begin.
Bye-bye.
We'll keep sharing simple and meaningful stories to help you learn English, Bible step by step. Like and subscribe and see you next time.